Now we will start to draw PDA for the given language. Okay, so we will start with initial state, that is Q0. Here we have performed first push operation, then after that we have performed a pop operation, and after this pop operation we have again push operations, and after these push operations we have number of pop operations also. Okay, means what, we don't have confirmed operations for the given state, means we can have the combination of push operation as well as pop operation. So first transition can be, if we have input symbol A and top of stack is Z0, then we have to perform push operation, that is AZ0. Same can be the case with input symbol B. So we have to write again the transition for B input, and top of stack is Z0, so we have to perform here again push operation. Okay, also, or we can have the case that is we are reading input symbol A and top of stack is A, then we will perform push operation. Or the situation is same for, if we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is B, then we have to again perform push operation, because here we don't know the starting symbol of string. It may start with A or it may start with B's. Okay, so if we have input symbol and top of stack same, then we have to perform push operation. Now for popping operations we can have the situation like, we will read input symbol A and top of stack is B, then we have to perform pop operation. Or if we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is A, then we have to perform pop operation. Okay, but after this pop operation we have to again, there may be the situation to occur push operation. Okay, means push pop push pop push 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 pop pop pop, or any combination of push and pop operation can be there. Okay, so in a single state only we can have the push operations as well as pop operations. Okay, because we don't have exact position to perform push operation and pop operation. Okay, so the situation to perform pop operation will be defined by this transition, means different input symbol and top of stack is there, then only we have to perform pop operation. And if similar alphabets are present on input tape as well as on top of stack, then we have to perform push operation. Okay, so pop operation can be written on this state only. Okay, okay, now we will take string like B A A B B B A A. Okay, suppose this is the string. Here we have 1 2 3 4 number of A B's and 1 2 3 4 number of A's also, means this string belongs to this L. Okay, so we will see how we can simulate this string. So first B will be encountered, then top of stack will be Z0, so this will get pushed onto stack. Now we have second input as it is for second A, we will pop this B, because okay, so this will be performed push, will this first B will be pushed by following this transition. Okay, for this A we will follow this transition. Okay, now we have A, but now we have popped this B, so we have top of stack as Z0. Okay, so we will push A onto stack. Okay, so now A will get pushed onto stack. Okay, by following this transition. Now for this B we have top A, so we are reading input symbol B, top of stack is A, so we will pop this A for this B. Okay, by following this transition. Okay, now again we have input symbol B and top as Z0, so this will be pushed onto stack. Again we have by following this transition, again the next input symbol is B and top of stack is B, so this will follow this transition and this will be again pushed on to stack. Now for next A, we have top of stack as 2 B's are in on stack. So for this A, we will pop the top, that is B. So by following this transition, B will be popped out. Sorry, by following this transition, B will be popped out. Okay. Now for next A, again we have top as B. Okay, this B. Okay, so for this A, we have top as B. So again, pop operation will be performed. Now next input symbol is empty and top of stack will be Z0. Okay, so we have to write empty Z0 for acceptance through final state and empty Z0 empty for acceptance through empty stack. Okay, so within a single state we have to perform push operation as well as pop operation. Okay, so according to the language and string belong to that language will decide the pop operations. Hope so you have understood the logic behind this problem, when to perform push operation, when to perform pop operation, when we can have two different states for two different operations, or we can have two different operations in a single state only. Okay, I hope you have understood all the important points related to designing of PDA. If you have any queries related to this, then please comment on it. If you have number of such designing problems on PDA, then also you can comment on it. And if you like my videos, then please do comment and never forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.